Bravo Charlie fans, it's been a while since I've done a video in a kitchen cooking and doing recipes for you guys. That's because I haven't had a kitchen in a while that was big enough to do anything in for about the past 3 years. But yours truly has bought a log cabin. And I'm going to take you on a quick tour of it, show you the new kitchen, show you the entire place, what we're doing with it. Me and my fiance Giovanna are going to redo the entire thing. And we're going to do periodic videos to give you updates on everything. Sort of like a, what would we call it? A setup tour, setup part 1. This would be setup part 1, showing you where everything is right now. And I'm going to go through the room, show you everything, show you the kitchen, and pretty soon we'll start doing cooking videos again. So, here we go through the front door right now. As you can see, it's a stained glass front door. It's got some nice lead woodwork there. And this room here is going to be our game room in the future. No electronics in this room. It's going to be games, puzzles, crafts. It's got a nice old wood-burning fireplace under here. So this will just be a gathering room for friends and family and us just to play games and get away from electronics for a little while. There in the kitchen, hiding behind the thing is Giovanna. She's running right now. This is currently the tool room because we're building everything for this place. We're going to build the dining room table, the coffee table, the end tables, bedroom furniture, everything. I'm going to be building from scratch, and I'll show you some of those as we go along. Just a bathroom back here, but eventually, actually it's a pretty nice bathroom. It's got a big shower. Jordan, who you guys have all seen me do videos with before, helped me with all the bathroom fixtures. She got to use a power drill and a circular saw for the first time. Hanging things. She also hung this back here, so she was proud of that. But this out here we're eventually going to make a laundry room. But right now it's just a tool room. Then let's go upstairs real quick. It's dark at the moment. Once it's already dark here in Pittsburgh this time of year. But once it's during the day, I'll show you guys the outside of the log cabin. We're on 2.2 acres, out in the middle of the woods, literally. But this is one bedroom. It's just a loft. Coming up the steps there, you can see the logs are inside and out. This is just a loft bedroom, and then there's one private bedroom over here. There we go. There's the switch for it. This is going to be our bedroom for the time being, but we are going to be building an addition. And that addition will have a walk-in closet, a master bathroom suite, and a full bedroom. And then this will just be for guests up here. Okay, as we go back down. So I have this plastic up everywhere because I've been sanding the hardwood floors. As you can see, this hardwood floor has just been sanded and it's going to be refinished. And you can see all the nice log work. Even look at the ceiling. You can see all of the well-kept logs. It really is nice, but it does need some tender loving care. Here's the kitchen. So we'll be able to get back to doing cooking videos and stuff like that. Giovanna's hiding around the corner again. We'll get her again. You're going to be in videos eventually, so you might as well just say hi.
Don't be a fool.
Say hi. Everybody wants to see you. Say hi. Oh. It's got a nice island, nice gas range and oven. It's going to be real bright if you look at these, but I fixed these last night. These old recessed lights were hanging from the ceiling, so I fixed those. Underneath the sink was a disaster. Someone had flooded it before. so I had to put a new base on it. But the woodwork's nice everywhere. The kitchen's pretty good. The countertop is marble. It's pretty nice. Has a dishwasher. The microwave is under the island. Has a nice, what do they call these? French door refrigerator. I forget exactly what they're called, but nice side by side with the, so far all we can eat is a cheese stick and Hershey's chocolate and water. But it's a nice refrigerator. And then over here is what's going to be the dining room. And I already have 2 coats of polyurethane on this dining room floor, and I just sanded it down again. And then I'm going to put the final coat on. But this is kind of neat. There is a big stained glass window in the dining room. Looks really nice during the daytime. And I believe that's called a Tiffany lampshade in the dining room with the dragonflies on it. But this is a real hardwood floor, and then out this back door, you can't see it right now, but out this back door is the yard area that we're going to expand and put the master bedroom in. And right here we have a pass-through that I'm going to take this window out and just leave shelves here so you could have pass-through right to the kitchen, and then we can say hi to Giovanna. Smile for the camera. Come on. One smile. She's not this bashful in real life. Look, see, there's a smile. It's got her. There it is. There it is. Okay, so this is going to be the dining room. And then in here is going to be the living room. And currently it is this lovely, terrible green tile. But we're going to be laying this wood plank flooring over it probably this weekend. We already repainted the walls. These ceiling fans are going to come down, and I'm going to put recessed lighting up here. And then the couch will go along this wall. And I'm going to get a 65-inch TV, entertainment center, and all that is going to go along that wall. But I'm going to build the entertainment center from scratch. I'm going to build the coffee table from scratch. I have plans for everything. Many of you don't know this, but I love working with power tools and wood and building things, so this is a great opportunity to have a lot of fun with that kind of stuff. But that's pretty much it right now. That's everything I could show you at the moment because we didn't go downstairs in the basement, but it's a disaster. It's not, it's not pretty at all. That has to be completely cleaned out and gutted. I'll show you that sometime soon. But we'll get back to you in a week or two and let you see some updates and how things are coming along. Thanks for watching here at Bravo Charlie's, the log cabin setup tour. And I will see you next time. I'll put all of our links down in the description below for Facebook and things like that. I think I might even start experimenting with Instagram. So we'll see. But thanks for joining. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time at Bravo Charlie's.